Welcome to FXTech's GBP USD analysis report, covering September 29th through October 4th, 2025. In this comprehensive analysis, we'll examine the pound-dollar pair's recent performance, key technical levels, and provide actionable trading insights for both short and medium-term horizons. Let's dive into the data and discover what's driving this major currency pair. Looking at our market overview, GBP USD closed the week at 1.34737, showing a daily gain of 0.27% and a weekly increase of 0.56%. The pair has maintained an impressive year-to-date performance of plus 7.69%. During the week, we observed trading within a daily range of 1.34270 to 1.34865. with moderate trading volume of 212.78K. The price action shows consolidation near the upper boundary of recent trading ranges. Three key events influenced GBP/USD this week. First, the U.S. government narrowly avoided a shutdown, providing stability to the dollar but limiting its potential gains. Second, several Federal Reserve officials delivered speeches indicating a cautious approach to future rate cuts, supporting the dollar. Finally, Bank of England policymakers maintained their hawkish rhetoric, citing persistent inflation concerns, which provided some support for the pound. Our technical analysis identifies critical levels for GBP USD. Key resistance levels are at 1.3535, 1.3600, and 1.3725, while support levels are found at 1.3400, 1.3350, and 1.3300, 1.3322. Action Forex notes that recovery from 1.3322 extended higher but failed to break through 1.3535 resistance. Daily Forex highlights the 1.34 level as major support, with TradingView indicators showing neutral signals across oscillators and moving averages. For the short term, spanning the next 1 to 2 weeks, we maintain a cautiously neutral stance with a slight bearish bias. GBP/USD is likely to trade within the 1.3350 to 1.3550 range. Our primary strategy recommends selling near the 1.3535 resistance with targets at 1.3400 and 1.3350, placing stops above 1.3550. Alternatively, look for buying opportunities near 1.3400 support with targets at 1.3500 and stops below 1.3350. Looking at the medium-term outlook for the next 1 to 3 months, we see two potential scenarios. The bearish scenario, with a 55% probability, targets the 1.3200 to 1.3000 range if U.S. economic data remains strong and the Fed maintains a less dovish stance. The bullish scenario, with a 45% probability, could see GBP USD reach 1.3725 to 1.4000 if UK economic data improves and the BOE maintains its hawkish stance while the Fed becomes more dovish. Key risk factors for GBP/USD include upside risks, like a dovish Fed, strong UK data, and improved risk sentiment, versus downside risks, such as a hawkish Fed, UK economic weakness, and global risk aversion. In conclusion, GBP/USD is currently consolidating between key technical levels, with a slight bearish bias short-term and balanced medium-term outlook. Monitor upcoming economic data and central bank communications with 1.3535 resistance and 1.332 support being crucial for determining the next significant move.